Hey everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we are diving into the world of quadratics and learning how to factor quadratic equations. This is a crucial skill in algebra, and you would face this in the SAT test. And with a little help and practice, you will be a pro in no time. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. To have you practice more these specific SAT questions, I would create in my channel quadratic playlists with the topic of quadratics, and you will have more than 25 questions. So I strongly suggest you to go in that playlist and pause each video, and you can pause this video as well now, and give it a try to solve it on your own, and try to just solve it, and afterwards you can check your answer at the end of the video. But I would like you to practice. That's why I will just provide more examples on this topic by creating the playlists. So let's dive into this question. Z squared minus 13z plus 36 is equal to 0. What is the one of the solutions to the given equation? In choice A we have 9, choice B is 7, C is -4, and D is -6. Let's see. So if you have watched the previous videos, you would have known that we are using a shortcut rather than the quadratic formula for these questions. So z squared, z times z is z squared. What times what is 36? You can say 6 times 6, for instance. But when I add 6 and 6, do I get -13? No. So I cannot use 6 and 6 then. Instead, I can use 9 and 4, because when I add 9 and 4, I get 13. But I need a -13, so I need to add -4 and -9, because when I multiply them still, I get +36, because -4 times -9 is +36. When you add them, you get -13. So you all set it up. After this, you just write your binomials side by side. Z minus 9 times z minus 4 will be equal to 0. And you can solve them separately. Z minus 9 is equal to 0. Add 9 to both sides. So z will be +9. Or, if you would solve the second equation, the binomial, and adding 4 to both sides needed in here, z will be +4. We don't have +4 in the choices, but we do have 9 in the choice A. So the answer is A for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. I wish you good luck on your tests, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.